So right now guys, we're here at the Crestmont in Panay Ave, Quezon City. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung feeling and ano ba yung meron dito kay the Crestmont, lalong-lalo na dito sa roof deck. So this is the one additional amenities na merong ino-offer dito kay DMCI Homes. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga meron. And this is a transit-oriented development project na meron tayo dito. So kung maubusan man ng parking, there's no problem. It's because malapit ang MRT station dito, which is in Quezon Ave natin. And we're near to transport systems na meron tayo dito. And come to think of it, maraming schools na malalapit dito. UP, UST, Ateneo. So, mga premier schools na meron tayo dito, guys. Take note of this. And this is a good investment, lalong-lalo na kung meron tayong mga anak na mag-aaral dun sa mga schools na sinabi ko. So, guys, come to think of it, the Crestmont in Panay Ave,